I'm Jeff from StingRay Electric in Dallas, Texas. We just got our MART tornado washer up and going. Ryan came down with the install and got everything hooked up for us and went over everything with us about what this unit can do. We've already had it out for a test run today, and this thing does a fantastic job. It's going to save us on the average 30 to 45 minutes per job of cleaning these motors for our customers. It's very simple to use. Just put the parts in, shut the door, push the button, and you can walk away from it and do another part of your job while this is actually doing the cleaning for you. It is fantastic. I can't tell you how excited we are to finally get it up and running. We've been wanting one of these for a long time. The owner finally bought us one, got it hooked up, and it's fantastic. Ryan did a great job showing everything. Once again, just thank you. You're going to enjoy it once you get the machine, once you get the hang of it, get to using it. You're going to be glad you did. You're going to wonder why you didn't get one sooner. So just take care of the machine. That's a real big part of it. Just make sure you do your maintenance, take care of the machine. It's going to last you a long time. I'm familiar with it. I've used one of these at a previous job for 9 years, so these things last. They're built to last. This one here is extremely nice. It will do the job that you need it to do. Thank you.